International Harvester tractor from the 40s or 50s probably. This is the control panel. Let me show you how to operate it. Stop. Alright. Get the tractor over here. Okay.
Show how to operate it.
Yeah. Okay. Now, you gotta put it in forward. Now watch the tractor go. That's forward. That's turning towards the right. That's turning towards the left. Now it also has a reverse mode. The cord is very long. It's about 12 feet long. And it works great for an old toy. All I did was plug it in and it worked. The lights work on both sides. Let me get you a shot of the front. Just gotta watch this cord here. It's an old cord. Let me put it in reverse for you again. Alright, now let me go forward again. Now it has a slow speed too for crawling. And that's what it's doing right now. I got it on slow. Now I'll put it on fast. Now I'll reverse it again. Turn it. Oh, my cord is getting stuck. Well, you get the idea of it. Get a close-up here. Wheels turn and everything. Lights are on. International Harvester, you see the back.